Hello 7th standard student. In the last topic we have studied about how we can divide a fraction with whole number or any other fractions. And in this video we are going to solve these questions on the division of a fraction. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay, that means while dividing process we have to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Look at here carefully, they give us a 3 questions of a divisions and we are going to solve this. Look at here carefully. Here I am going to solve this. The first one question, and the first one question is 7 divided by 2 upon 5. Okay, now here is the answer how we can solve this. Okay, 7 is the whole question and we have to divide that number by 2 upon 5. Okay, now this divide process we have to convert it into multiplication. That means we have to multiply that 7 number with a fraction. So we will write here multiplication sign. But how we can multiply this? We have to multiply this 7 with reciprocal of the fraction. The fraction is 2 upon 5 and the reciprocal, already in the last video we have studied that when we are going to write the reciprocal of a fraction, we have to change their numerator and denominator place. That means there is a 2 upon 5. Instead of that, the reciprocal is that we have to write here, that is 5 upon 2. So here we have changed the numerator and denominator place with each other. So now we are going to multiply that. We have to do a simply multiplication in the numerator and denominator. The number whichever present in the numerator, we have to multiply that number, and the number which are present in a denominator, we have to multiply that numbers in the denominator. So our next step is 7 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. So our answer will be 7 5 is 35 upon 2. So my answer of 7 divided by 2 upon 5 is 35 upon 2. Okay, do you get this? Now look at here the second example. They give us a second example is 6 divided by 4 upon 7. In the next step we have to write this whole number as like this way, and we have to change the sign from division to we have to write here multiplication. And while we are going to write a multiplication process, that time we have to write the reciprocal of the given fraction, and the reciprocal of 4 upon 7 is 7 upon 4. That means when we are going to write a reciprocal fraction, we have to change the place of digits whichever present in a numerator and denominator places. So our next step is, at that time we have to do a simply multiplication in the numerator side, that is a 6 into 7 upon, there is a, at the denominator place there is a 4. So at the time that my answer is 6 7s are 42 upon 4. Do you get this, student? Okay. Now look at here, this 42 and 4 are the even numbers. Okay. So with the help of divisibility of 2 test, we can solve this or we can find out the reduced form of this fraction. So if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, we get the answer here 42 divided by 2, we get here answer 21 upon 2 2s are 4. So 4 divided by 2, we get the answer 2. So the reduced form of answer is 21 upon 2. Okay, both answers are right, but it is necessary to write the reduced form. Okay, this will help you to get full marks of the sum. Okay, the next question is 2 divided by 8 upon 9. Okay, 2 divided by 8 upon 9. So I get here, so I can write, we have to write this whole number again as given as in question. Instead of division we have to write here multiplication, and the given fraction is 8 upon 9 and we have to write here reciprocal of a given fraction. So 2 into 9 is 2 9s are 18 upon 8 remains as the same, and now we have to find out the reduced form because both are even numbers, and by using the test of divisibility of 2 we can find out the reduced form. So we have to divide these both numbers by 2. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8, and now my answer is 9 upon 4. You get these 3 examples. Dear students, you have to solve these 3 sums in your notebook. Already I showed that how you have to solve this question. Now our next point is, while dividing a whole number by mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then solve it. That means if they given us a mixed fraction, that means we have to convert it into improper fraction. Look at here carefully how they are solving it. 4 divided by 2 and a 2 upon 5 is equal to, they wrote here 4 as given as in question, divided by, now this is again converted into, look at here how they are converted, 2 and a 2 upon 5. So we have to multiply the cross number, that is 2 into 5 upon 5 is equal to 2 5s are 10, but before that we have to write here in a bracket, so it will be very easy to understand for you. And when we are finished that bracket, we have to add that number which is given in a numerator place, that is 2. So my answer will be 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 upon 5 is the improper fraction of a given mixed fraction. Okay, so here look at, they wrote here 12 upon 5. Then how we can solve this example? We have to solve this 4 as given as in a question. Instead of division process, we have to write here multiplication, and now we are going to use a reciprocal of the given fraction, that is 5 upon 12, and that time we will write the answer, that is 5 4s are 20 upon 12. Again both are even numbers and we can easily use any divisibility test, but you can see that 20 and 12 are comes in a table of 4, so we can directly divide it by 4. So 4 5s are 20 upon 4 3s are 12, so my answer is 5 upon 3. Okay, now we are going to solve the next question. Look at here, 5 divided by 3 and 1 upon 3. So it is equal to, how they are converted, they wrote here 5 as given as, and divided by, this mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. Look at here, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 upon 3, that is 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 upon 3. Look at here, they wrote here 10 upon 3. Now we are going to solve this here, that is 5, instead of multiplication we have to write division, we have to write here multiplication, and the reciprocal of 10 upon 3 is 3 upon 10. So my answer is 5 3s are 15 upon 10. Again these are comes in a table of 5. So if we are going to dividing this numerator and denominators number by 5, we get here 5 3s are 15 upon 5 2s are 10. So my answer is 3 upon 2. Do you get this, students? As like this way you have to solve this in your notebook. Just take out your rough books, write this question and solve in your notebook. Okay, the first question is 6 divided by 5, 1 upon 3. Okay, I am going to repeat this question again. 6 divided by 5, 1 upon 3, and the second question is 7 divided by 2, 4 upon 7. Okay, do you get this? Okay, Now if we divide now we have studied here how we can divide a whole number by a fraction, and in the next step we are going to study that the division of a fraction by whole number. Look at here carefully, the process is same, just you have to remember that when we are going to write a whole number, their denominator place always shows 1, which is not necessary to write every time while writing a whole number, but when you are going to write out the reciprocal of a whole number, that time you have to write a 1 in the numerator place. Okay, look at here. The first question, what will be 3 upon 4 divided by 3? Based on our earlier observation, we have 3 upon 4 divided by 3 is equal to 3 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 1. Look at here how they are. Here is 3 and here is, they wrote it 3 upon 1. That means instead of 3 we can also write as a 3 upon 1. But look at in the next step, they wrote here 3 upon 4 as given as in question. Instead of division process they wrote here multiplication. Now it is very important to write a reciprocal of a given fraction, that or the next fraction, that is the reciprocal of 3 upon 1 is 1 upon 3. Now they do here the simply multiplication, that is 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12, and 3 and 12 both are coming in a table of 3. So they are, this numerator and denominator numbers are divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So my reduced form of answer is 1 upon 4. Do you get this, students? Okay. So there are the next divisions. We are going to solve that. 2 upon 3 divided by 7. So instead of 7 they wrote here 1 upon 7. No, it is a reciprocal. So directly you can write this also. You can write here multiplication instead of division, and you can directly write the reciprocal of a 7, that is 1 upon 7. So what will be the answer? 2 ones are 2 upon 3 sevens are 21. This will be the my answer. What about the next? Here is the first question, that is 5 upon 7 divided by 6. I am going to solve this first question. 5 upon 7 remains the same. Instead of division we will write here multiplication. Now it is necessary to write a reciprocal of a given next number. So the reciprocal of a 6 is 1 upon 6. So my answer is, what will be the, we have to do here multiplication in the numerator place, that is 5 into 1 upon, we have to do a multiplication in a denominator, 7 6. So 7 into 6, so is equal to 5 ones are 5 divided by 7 6 are 42. Okay, and 5 is a odd number and 42 is a even number. So there is no any divisibility test which is find to to find out the reduced form of this question. Okay, this is our first question. Now we are going to solve the second question. Look at here carefully. The second question is 2 upon 7 divided by 8. We wrote here 2 upon 7 as given in a question. Instead of division we will write here multiplication. Now it is necessary to write a reciprocal of 8. So reciprocal of 8 is 1 upon 8. So the next step of this question or this sum is, now we have to do here multiplication, that is 2 into 1 upon 7 into 8. So is equal to 2 ones are 2 divided by 7 eights are 56. Okay, do you get this, students? By revising this video again and again, by listening this video again and again, you can understand this. First you understand that, revise that and try to solve this problem in your notebook. Okay. Now we are going to study division of a fraction by another fraction. Look at here carefully how we can solve it directly. Okay, now we have already studied that we cannot do division directly. Instead of division, we have to write here a multiplication, and the next fraction we have to write in the reciprocal form. So same way we have to use that while doing a fraction or division of a fraction with another fraction. Look at here, they give us a one of the example, that is 1 upon 3 divided by 6 upon 5. So I will write here 1 upon 3 as given as in question. Now I will write a multiplication sign in the place of division sign, and now I have to write a reciprocal of 6 upon 5. So the reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is 5 upon 6. So my next step will be multiplication. So it is 1 into 5 upon 3 into 6. So my answer is 5 ones are 5 and 3 6 are 18. This is my answer. Look at here carefully. Now I am going to solve this also question. That is 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4. I will write here 1 upon 2 as given as in question. Instead of division, I will write here multiplication sign. And now we have to write a reciprocal of a next fraction. So reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. The next step is the multiplication process. Now we have to do multiplication in a numerator place. So that is 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 3. So my answer will be 4 ones are 4 divided by or upon 2 3s are 6. Look here again, both are even numbers, and we can find out reduced form it's easily, and both numbers are coming in a table of 2. So by on dividing by 2 we get here answer 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So here is the answer. Try this. Okay, these 4 questions that you have to solve in your notebook. So please student, take out your rough notebooks, and I am going to tell you what are the questions are there. You have to write it with me. So the first question is 3 upon 5. Have you take out your rough notebooks, please? Okay, very good. Now the first question, 3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. Second question, 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. Third question, 2 and 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. And the last question, 5 1 upon 6 divided by 9 upon 2. Dear students, do you get this? Very good. This division process is very easy, and this is the exercise 2.4 and whole exercise that you have to solve it yourself. Okay, now I am going to show you how you can solve this exercise 2.4. Look at here, the first one example. "12 divided by 3 upon 4 is equal to," they wrote here 12 as given is a question. Instead of division process, they wrote here multiply, and the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. So 4 here 12 4s are 48. So 48 upon 3, and we get here answer, that is 16. Okay, as like that you have to solve the other question also. The question 2 is find the reciprocal each of the following fractions. Classify their reciprocal as a proper fraction, improper fraction, and whole number. I think you are not able to see this clearly. Here I am going to show you actual page of a textbook. Look at here carefully. Okay, now are you able to see this clearly? Okay, very good. The second question, find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Look at here carefully. The reciprocal of a 3 upon 7 is 7 upon 3. Okay, this is the reciprocal of 5 upon 8 is 8 upon 5. Reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9. Reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is 5 upon 6. Reciprocal of 12 upon 7 is 7 upon 12. The reciprocal of 1 upon 8 is 8 upon 1, that is 8. Reciprocal of 1 upon 11 is 11 upon 1, that is 11. Now we have to classify that reciprocals in proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Already we have solved that when we are going to find out a proper fraction, always its numerator is smaller. Are you able to recall all this? Okay, very good. Okay, now what about the improper fraction? Here numerator greater. Look at here carefully while you are writing. Okay, numerator is greater. Now what about the whole number? How we can identify whole number? Already you have studied the whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That you can easily find out. Already you have got it that question number 6 and 7, the reciprocal of that 1 upon 8 and reciprocal of 1 upon 11 are the whole numbers. But how we can identify these reciprocals are proper or improper? Look at here carefully that 7 upon 3, the numerator is greater. That means it is a improper fraction. Okay. Now this is 8 upon 5. Again numerator is greater, so it is a improper question. 7 upon 9. Okay, here 7, it is a smaller, so it is a proper fraction. Again here 5 upon 6, numerator is smaller as compared to denominator, so it is also proper fraction. Here 7 upon 12, so numerator is 7 which is smaller as compared to denominator, so it is also proper fraction. But what about this? It is a 8, that means it is a whole number. And what is this? 11, it is also whole number. As like that we are going to classify their reciprocals. Question number 3 and 4, now you are able to see it clearly. Both are showing the division process. Here shows the first one is improper fraction with whole number and also that means here is the division of a fractions by whole number, and here shows that division of a fraction by fraction. Okay, it is a proper, improper, they give us different type, they give us differently, but you have to solve this as like same way. Instead of division you have to write the multiplication process, and in first fraction you have to write as like is in the question, and the second number that you have to write the reciprocal of that second fraction, and with the help of multiplication process you can find out the example very much easily. If you are not able to recognize it, you can see this video again and again, try to understand it and try to solve this whole exercise in your notebook. Please student, don't waste your time, just concentrate on your study without giving any reason. Just you have to solve this whole exercise in your notebook Okay, when school will reopen, I am going to check it. So till then, good luck.